So the resistance on the second resistance workout of week 4 is in the bag. And I've really noticed that when I first started this program, even lifting 20 pounds, like even to get ready to put the barbell behind my back was tough. And now today I was like, just swinging it back there. So it really does build upon itself, your strength and the things that you can do. And a couple of things. The second week of this program, I had a cold. So I did it, even though I had a cold, I modified it. Like I couldn't do my burpees on the ground. I had to lean against a countertop to do them. But I persevered through. And then yesterday, I work out of my home on my computer, and I had a lot of information and really good stuff. We're writing a book, and I have all my notes and all my rough drafts on my hard drive, and my computer stopped working. And it is pretty bad, and we have to go take it in to get it looked at, and hopefully they can retrieve my hard drive information, and I'm kind of panicking, but I said, it's not going to stop me from doing my resistance training. And so something Dave said at the end of this one today, it's kind of weird. He says the things you need to say, you need to hear. And I know he's already, he's recorded it, so he's not right there and not really knowing what you're going through because you haven't shared. But he says that this is changing the way you look at life. And that is true in a way, because I put this as so much more importance in my life, that doing the exercise program, that I don't want to have anything else stand in the way. And yeah, I'll be a little bit behind. And as I'm going through the weights, I'm thinking, okay, worst case scenario, if I don't get my hard drive retrieved, what can I do? So I'm tackling the weights, and this intense workout has helped me realize that I can do the same thing in so many different levels of my life. So that's my takeaway today. So I'm on to take my shower.